Welcome to another episode of Sorry, again.
I thought that was the episode name.
Hi, milk tea. Let's go.
With sparkling water last
Yeah, with sparkling water. Oh. Wow. Cheers.
Thoughts?
It's not as bad as I thought, honestly.
Yeah. Surprisingly, it's not too unacceptable, that kind.
Come on, man.
Rate it.
Maybe a 2.
2 out of 5 actually still okay. How much will you rate it?
2.53.
Wow! Oh my
I
god!
even finished it.
Oh my god!
Can I have mine?
Oh, yeah, you can have mine too. Oh my god! Yeah.
Why? Okay, was.
Yes. I'll give it a 1 out of 5.
Got so bad, man.
I would say that it tastes like Thai milk tea with a bit of sparkling. But
Isn't it what? That's what it is.
Oh, what are you talking about, man?
For me, it's simple. It's a bit sour.
oh my god, you're still drinking. Oh, she loves it. Oh my god, must
No,
give her.
because some of the powder is undissolved, so it goes in my mouth. Then there's like the extra crunch, you know. So maybe the trick is to not dissolve all the powder. I don't know, but it tastes. I do taste the milk tea, but it's like a sour kind of milk tea. But it's not like the sour rancid kind. It's like lemon milk tea kind of sour
Oh, let me
kind. Not bad.
Yeah, I really. Yeah.
Oh no, why you expose me like that?
I guess this really shows that everyone have different taste buds. She
I
loves
guess
it.
so.
Yeah.
But we both like tofu and like carbs.
Oh yeah, true. I need to rethink if we really have the same taste or not. And yeah, that's it for today's Monday Mix. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Yeah, you drink finish
I finished already.